Alright, so this is for the AC compressor, which I cannot figure out how to get out for the life of me. As you can see there, one of the bolts removed, and then again on that side, that's where the other bolt was. And then come on top. You can see that's the ground cable where the power steering reservoir was. Again, you can see one, kind of two of the bolts up top. So I'll try to show you. So then I'm like, alright, I got this. I just disconnected like that direction manual says. But it does not go anywhere. It's stuck there. Like, stuck. So I don't know what I'm missing. Is there anything anyone can see the stuff I need to take out? Back there, you can see the lines that connect to it and some of the lines that run over top. But like, it doesn't go anywhere. So obviously I need to disconnect some more stuff. Alright, thanks guys.